I'm so excited to make ice cream. It's like 105 outside, and ice cream's nothing but chemistry. So, you're going to need a quart-sized bag, and inside this bag, you're going to put a half cup milk, half cup heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
Or some chocolate.
Make sure it's nice and tight and there's absolutely no air. Okay, so in a gallon-sized bag, you're going to add 2 cups of ice and 1 cup of ice cream salt or rock salt. Normal salt would work, I guess, but it's just better to have ice cream salt. So now put the little bag inside the big bag with, again, little to no air. Okay, so now you're the ice cream machine. You've got to put it back and forth a bunch of times until it gets all solid. So you just got to do this back and forth until it gets solid, and yeah, it's going to take a while.
5 days later. Oh God, my hands are so cold. 10 years later.
Make sure to get the ice to surround the bag, and yes, your hands are probably freezing. But you gotta keep going. Don't stop! Okay, so you might need gloves because it's super cold.
Mine's confused.
Oh, mine's hard. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Sample your treat.
And think thermodynamics.
Oh my gosh. Why is this so good? Oh my gosh.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!